Unlock your creative potential with the Coloring Business Builder, an AI-powered coloring book creator designed for aspiring entrepreneurs. This innovative tool allows you to easily design and publish your own beautiful coloring books in just a few clicks. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a complete beginner, our user-friendly platform makes it simple to ignite your imagination. With customizable templates and a vast library of stunning illustrations, you can create unique coloring experiences for all ages. Start your own publishing business today and tap into the booming coloring book market. Enjoy the flexibility of working from anywhere while turning your passion into profit. Join a community of successful creators and benefit from expert resources and support. Don't wait any longer. Transform your ideas into reality and launch your coloring book empire now.